Hey beauties, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, welcome. I'm going to be showing you how I do my facials at home, starting off by steaming my face. We all know clogged pores can lead to acne breakouts and blackheads. So steaming opens pores so dirt and oils can be easily removed. And I'm doing the cucumber steam treatment, which is amazingly good for acne prone skin, blemishes, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, etc. Cucumber has skincare benefits including vitamin C and caffeic acid, which both fight to reduce the inflamed or irritated skin. I'll be using the African Extras Rooibos Spot Control Face Wash, which contains bioactive Rooibos, baobab extract, salicylic acid, just to mention a few. It's very soothing and calming face wash that deep cleanses pores to leave your skin feeling refreshed. It's also ideal for combination skin and prone breakouts and skin prone to breakouts and blemishes, and it's also gentle for everyday use. And then I'm going to exfoliate using this 3-in-1 African Extras Rooibos again, which can be used as a face wash, a scrub, or a mask. And I'm going to top it up with this exfoliating brush. This brush is bae, guys, literally. It has made such a huge difference in my journey, and I swear by it. Like, it's a must-have. So I'm just gonna exfoliate, scrub. This is the brush after exfoliating. Look how dirty it is. Look at that. And this is after washing it. So yeah, it goes all the way in. It's so good. Then I'm going to use this pore purifying black strips. These strips are equipped with all the essential ingredients to extract any excess oils and dirt that clog pores and lead to blackheads. They have this really nice cooling sensation that leaves your skin feeling so clean and so refreshed. It's a good thing to have. You should include it in your skin regimen. It's very important. It's very nice. You should try it. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and I'm going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until it dries out, so that I can start peeling it. This is after 20 minutes of waiting. Now that it's all dried up, I'm about to strip it, remove it. And yeah, removing this thing is not nice. It's oh my god, it's painful. It was painful for me. I think probably because I have facial hair, so it wasn't easy at all. It was a bit painful. Not a bit, it was painful. It was super painful, but yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it at the end. My face felt like it was so clean. It was so smooth and clean. It was so good. It was so refreshed. It was worth it. I can't believe I almost forgot this important part. Toning. Toning is very, very important and essential. A good toner will remove any remaining bits of oils and dirt left behind by the cleanser. It also shrinks pores. It restores your skin's pH balance. It refreshes skin, and so on and so forth. Toning is very important for acne-prone skin. It's essential. It's a need. Make sure you don't skip it. Tone. Then I'm going to use avocado to moisturize my face. I'm going to mash it until it's smooth, then apply it all over my face. This yummy fruit right here is a rich source of vitamin E and C and can help to reduce skin inflammation and naturally moisturize the skin. So I'm going to apply it all over my face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's dry. Then I am going to rinse it off with lukewarm water. And yeah, acne prone skins suffer from skin damage, which leads to scarring. So moisturizing the skin is an important step in keeping it healthy. That's because your skin needs adequate moisture to fight infection and heal properly. So now that the avocado is dry, I'm going to rinse it off with lukewarm water. My skin feels so tight. So I'm just going to rinse it off. Now that we are done rinsing the avocado off, we are going to the last stage of our skin regimen, which is still moisturizing. You guessed it, the coconut oil. Research shows that applying coconut oil to the skin can help relieve dry skin while fighting bacteria. In fact, using coconut oil as a moisturizer is as effective or more effective than using mineral oil. Additionally, coconut oil may help heal your skin and prevent it from scarring. So coconut oil is very, very important. One other important step that I do in my regimen is massaging my face. I find massaging my face really helpful because it helps with blood circulation. It really helps, especially when you are fighting uneven toned skin, if you are fighting blemishes and so on. So try to massage your face every now and then so that the blood flows properly around your face area. So yeah, that's just about it. That's my routine. But please feel free to share how you battle your acne and comment any recommendations or suggestions in the comment section. I'm open to trying new ways to fight this monster. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.